right? Check, can you please come close? Let me go to. No, leave me.
So where are we? We're in Chirundu, right?
Yeah, we're in Chirundu. That is normal life in Chirundu. People, the animals are living with the people, amen. So yeah, we saw buffaloes also in the midst of people. So this is normal. Look at that, very, very close now to this elephant.
And this boy is quite close, huh?
How tall is he?
Let's see.
That's a 3 meter. 4 meters?
4 meters, maybe. About, yeah. Hey, this is TV stuff. Like, where do you get elephants with people and painted dogs?
Leave that one, please. Leave the painted dogs. Painted dogs are sleeping.
So at the border in Chirundu, border of Zimbabwe and in Zambia, waiting to cross over to Lusaka. And we've got visitors in our hotel here. This is our hotel where we are staying tonight. And the big boy is leaving.
Escape to the 2024.
Sisaya.
Ons kom daar.
Nice one.